as you use Notion, you will find yourself wanting more usability, and as you watch more tutorials, you'll hear the word database being used. And if you're not sure what a database is in Notion, it's basically just a reskin of a spreadsheet. It's basically a spreadsheet with the more use functionality that you're able to filter data as well, or filter by data. So this is an example of a database. It's a template from the template store in Notion. If you're curious, it's called People Directory. But yeah, so moving on. An example of the database is keeping track of the people that you are working for, maybe your customers. So you take when last did you call them, have they been called, what is their name, their age, title, and how do you know them, and so on and so on. And in this template there's a lot of information you can fill in and use, and you see dates, and have you met them in person, and when last were they reached out, how far is their project, and all sorts of stuff. So a database can be just a tabular way of organizing your data. Tabular meaning rows and columns. And something nice about a database is you can also filter by certain attributes or factors, and you can save those views. So in the template you have favorite people, people that you like. You can filter by profession, and there's many more saved here. You can also create templates, so when you add a new row, when you add someone new, you can have a standard template for each one, making it easier to add data. And if you eventually want to use it for data analytics, it can help with that. And just keeping your data in a more searchable way. That is the basic use of a database in Notion.